My name is Daniel Oyegunle, and this is my 205 CDE presentation. For this presentation, I'll be talking about the following topics: web server, security, data store design, CRUD, NoSQL, accessing and displaying data in a web page, and inputting data from a web page to the store. A web server is a program that uses different client server models in HTTP to serve files from the web page to the web user. As you can see from the files, I follow this. Security in relation to a website is used to keep information secure and prevent unwanted people from gaining information from from the store to the website. As you can see with these images here, unfortunately, I wasn't able to add the SLL because of limited amount of time, but I was able to add a login and logout feature on my website. Data store design stores and records different data from the host user. For example, in the greeting entities, the full conversation that I had with a visitor on the database was recorded. So the data store design gives a person the option to view and select and delete information. As you can see here, this was the conversation that I had with the user. And okay, um, CRUD and NoSQL. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. They are known as the four basic functions of persistent storage. And these are this is how I did it. First of all, I had the full conversation with the visitor on my side, and then after I selected what I wanted to delete, and then I deleted some of those conversations. This is the information accessing and displaying data in a web page. This is the information that is typed on the data store that is later recorded on the greeting entities. This information includes ID, name, author, content, and date. You can see that from the images presented here. Inputting data from the web page to the store. My bookstore is linked to my data store, and in order for me to link the two, I use my coding Codio to link and change some of the wording on my website. So that's data store, and you can see through these images here that I managed to do this. Now improvements. I thought that if I had more time, I could have linked my actual website to the data store that I had. So if a customer came and logged in and had any suggestions to improve my website, I could have read what the customer's improvements suggestions were, and I could have made those improvements. For example, my website was about China and the other countries around the world. So a visitor on the website could have asked, they could have said, "Oh, okay, they want me to do another country, for instance," and I could have done that. That's all. Thank you for your time and have a lovely day.